Hey guys, I want to go ahead and talk about this PitBoss Navigator. So this particular pit is actually going to be one that you can use with or without flame. So this one is the Navigator series. Now ours is really dirty because we just got done cooking a brisket, but you can see kind of what it looks like on the inside. But this part here is going to be the most important part that I want to talk about. So these are going to be like wood chip type pellets, and you can add any kind of wood that you're wanting. So if you're wanting a pecan smoked flavor, if you're wanting a mesquite smoked flavor, you can actually go ahead and add that stuff here so you can see how they're all added. And then what happens is you're able to go ahead and put in the temperature that you're wanting, and then this particular part of the pit will distribute those pellets down to the center here, and then as it's burning, it actually will go ahead and turn to smoke and then cook whatever meat that you have into a smoke flavor. So there's actually no flame if you're wanting that particular option, or you can actually go ahead and say, no, I want flame, I want it to be charbroiled or whatever it may be, and then you can actually go ahead and have flame. But you have the option of actually doing different temperatures, and then of course, you know, if you're needing to go ahead and do it for long periods of time, you can set that, or short periods of time, you can set that as well. And then it comes with this nice little pail here that actually has liners, and so your grease, when the meat is being cooked up on the top, again, ours is dirty because we just got done cooking some brisket, it will actually go ahead and drip all of that into that particular container. So just wanted to go ahead and actually do a really quick video. This actually will go ahead and fold down if you're needing it to, like so you can actually go ahead and use it for storage. And then it's got the 4 wheels, rubber wheels in the back, the smaller wheels up at the front, so that you can actually roll it around wherever you need to. Those wheels will lock by stepping on that little button. And then this particular model came with a cover, and the cover is to go ahead and protect it when you have it outdoors, and it's got kind of like a vinyl heavy duty cover on there. So just wanted to go ahead and show that to you because this thing has been phenomenal and fantastic, and I highly recommend this PitBoss.